I'm excited because my makeup almost done. I'm excited because my makeup almost done. Hey, I'm excited because my makeup almost done. Hi everyone. I know I'm looking crazy right now, but we're about to beat this face. Don't mind my nails. I'm gonna get them done tomorrow, but yeah, we're gonna have to go with these nails for today. We're gonna start first by applying foundation. I like to apply foundation before I do my eyes, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna be using the NYX Skin Stop One Stop foundation. I think it came out in September. It's not new technically, but it's gonna be my first time using it on a tutorial. Okay, what I like about this foundation is the great amount of coverage that it has. The formula, I wasn't a fan of it at the beginning, but I ended up liking it. I don't know what changed, but yeah, I do like the formula now. Like, it's a very nice matte formula. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes. I have been loving to prime my eyes with the MAC Pro Longwear paint pot. This is the shade Soft Ochre. It's a little jar, and I'm gonna use a small buffing brush to apply it all over my lid. This paint pot thingy is really pigmented, so sometimes it gets under my eye. And for today's eye look, I'm gonna be using one of my favorite palettes lately. Is the Sister palette by James Charles and Morphe. It's a beautiful palette. So I'm gonna start off with this neon orangey color, and I'm gonna go apply it all over my crease. With this much more packed and flatter brush, I'm gonna take this orange color and then go over that orange, but also try to hit my lid a little bit. So just like this. I kind of have an idea of what I want, but I kind of don't. So we're just gonna go with the flow. Okay, now with a fluffier brush, I'm just gonna buff and blend everything. And then with this much more vivid red slash orange, coral, whatever, we're gonna go here on top just to make it darker. I kind of want to add more of this neon orange on the crease a little bit more. So now we're gonna take this little square-ish brush and then not cut the crease, but cut the crease. Okay, you'll see what I mean. Kind of like creating like that little cut crease just in the middle of the eye. With this flat brush, we're gonna take this beautiful coral whatever color, and we're gonna pack it on this, on the lid. Okay, we're gonna use another brush, and what we want to actually do is take this bright color and bring it on right here on the outer corner and then the inner corner. That way it blends in with the shimmer shadow. So this is a Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow, and this is Diamond Dust. What we are going to do is just dab a little bit of that diamond dust on top of the shimmery shadow only. Okay, actually before adding the eyeliner, I'm gonna do my concealer. That way I can cut the crease. But I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty concealer, and I use the shade 360. Then we're gonna add some, and we're gonna cut this crease. And this Fenty concealer reminds me a lot of the ColourPop concealer. It just has like more consistency. Like this is, I think, a bit more long lasting. Before we go ahead and set the concealer, let's do the eyeliner, because I always have trouble setting the concealer, then doing the eyeliner, maybe having to fix it, and then going again with the concealer on top. It just messes everything up, so I figure I might as well just do that. And I'm gonna be using the NYX Epic Ink Liner. Okay, so we're gonna use to set our concealer, we're gonna use the Fenty New Baking Powder. Is the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder, and I grabbed the shade Banana. So what I like to do is I go with my MAC foundation powder, Studio Fix, in the shade NW45, and I just go with my brush. I dab or swipe, whatever, and I literally I go like this, and I typically get rid of this baking powder like that. That way I'm also setting my entire face. To contour, I don't really cream contour anymore. I literally use a powder. The thing that I really like is this Cover Queen bronzer in the shade Ebony Bronze. This one is not, they don't sell it at Walmart or any drugstore. I had to get it on eBay, and I really love this bronzer. Go again with the powder and sharpen my jaws or whatever. I'm gonna do that Kim Kardashian thing. Okay, let me see, like this. And this is just gonna make everything look more sharp and defined. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara. I'm using my favorite mascara ever, which is the L'Oreal Paris Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. That way it blends in easily with the lashes. My MAC Studio Fix. I'm gonna take this elf powder, blush powder in dark, and I'm gonna use this one over here, which is a nice little coral blush. For a highlight, we are gonna use the Artist Couture X Jackie Aina powder, no, Diamond Glow powder in the shade La Peach. So yeah, lashes are on. Now I'm just gonna apply mascara on my lower lash, but before we do that, I'm gonna do a little bit more on my eyes. I'm just gonna go with this orangey color, this one, on my lower lash line, and then a little bit of the darker one also. After this, we are going to apply some mascara on our lower lash line. I'm gonna use my Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade 100 and a little small brush and go with it here on my tear dot. Okay, we're gonna set our face now. And of course, I am using Fix Plus. We're gonna go for like nudie lips or something because I feel like it goes perfect with this type of eye look. But first off, of course, we wanna line our lips, and we're gonna use our all-time friend, the MAC lip liner in Chestnut. I'm in between this NYX Soft Matte, which is like, this is my favorite combo, NYX Soft Matte lip cream in Stockholm. Let's do Stockholm. I'm gonna add some gloss to it, so I'm gonna go with the Pina Britto Intense Body Gloss by NYX on top of it. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this detailed video. I'm really happy to be back. I'm really happy that I finally got to make a full tutorial explaining everything I do step by step. This is how I like to do things. I like to take my time, sit down, do what I do, and explain to you guys, interact with you guys. This is how I like to do my tutorials, and I hope to see you guys on my next video, which is gonna be soon. I love you. Bye.